Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video you will learn how to install Laravel into your local machine. Before installing Laravel, let's install Composer first. Download Composer from your official website. So what is Composer? Composer is a package management tool. So using Composer, you can download and manage the packages of PHP applications. So here we will use the Composer. So first of all, you need to install the Composer into your computer. Then we will start downloading the Laravel. So to download this Composer, you just write in Google Composer download. Then you can see this screen here, download Composer. And then this website will open and click on this download. If you're using Windows machine, then you just see this screen here, Windows installer, and then you can download uh, from Composer website. So let's go to Composer website and let me show you that how you can download and install the Composer in your local machine. Let's go to Google. Download. Download Composer. Click here, and then you can see here this is for Windows. Then save the file. Now you try to install it after double clicking. The next, here you need to choose your PHP. So if you have installed your PHP, it's a gem, or independently you have installed PHP, then you need to select here the php.exe file where it resides. But normally it gets auto-selected. But if it didn't auto-select, then you'll have to browse here and select here where the PHP is installed. So it must be sorry, it must be php.exe here. So once this is selected, then move forward. It's done. Now it's finally the composer is downloaded. Now we will see how to install Laravel. So let's go to its official website. Now install Laravel. Click here. Then its website provides two methods of installing Laravel. The first one is via Laravel installer. So simply you can use this Composer Global require Laravel installer. After that, you will have to uh, set the path. If it's Windows, then there is method of setting, and if Macintosh, then this method is provided here, and if it is Linux, then this method. But one of the easiest method is this one, and I myself normally use this method to download the Laravel. So let's copy it and open command prompt. Right here, cmd, right click on this and run as administrator. So uh, let me go to F drive and MD. I'm just creating one directory in my F drive. So MD Laravel 5.8. That means 5.8, the latest version. Or simply I can write Laravel 5. Okay, so this directory already exists in my computer. So better if I write here Laravel 5.8. 5.8. Okay, now it's created. Then inside that cd Laravel 5.8. Now let's write this composer, create project, and properties Laravel box. So in this directory folder called Laravel will be downloaded. So now press enter and it will start downloading. Now finally the Laravel is installed. Now dir press here dir. So as you can see, a folder called blog is created here. Now cd blog then dir. Inside that all the files are here. So now to start this server, we need to write here php artisan then serve. Press enter. The server started here. So copy it and paste into the browser. Oh, there is a mistake actually. Need to copy it properly. So now the Laravel is installed. So in the next video, I will display you that how you can change this home page content and where does this content come from. And also, I will show you the structure, the directory structure of this Laravel. So stay connected and see you in the next video.